Namaskaraha. If you are a Vrishchika Rashi, 2025 is a year of caution with stress in children's matters, finances, and career stability. With Saturn, Jupiter, and Rahu all shifting signs, this year demands patience, discipline, and wise choices. I'm Archana Murthy, and in the next few minutes, I will share what these shifts mean for you and how to navigate them wisely. Here's what we'll cover: Saturn's move into Meena and the effects on children, education, and emotions. Jupiter's shift into Mithuna and the heavy expenses and instability it brings. Rahu's entry into Kumbha and the challenges it creates in career and reputation. If you're new here, I share authentic Jyotisha rooted in classical texts every week. Subscribe and stay connected so you don't miss these insights. Brihat Parashara Hora Shastram describes Vrishchika Rashi as Vrishchikaha Krishna Tanuhu Urdhvamukaha Prushthodayi Trikapada Jwalanascha Ratrivali Dvijoteka Jalacharaha Paschimagami Sthulatanahu. This means Vrishchika or Scorpio is dark in complexion, faces upwards, rises with its back, is three-footed, fiery in nature, strong during the night, associated with Brahmins, solitary in strength, watery in element, moves westward, and has a stout body. So as a Vrishchika native, you're intense, determined, and courageous. You thrive in transformation and depth, often working best in solitude. Strong-willed and fiery, yet deeply emotional. At times, secrecy or intensity may create friction in relationships. In 2025, these natural traits are tested by Saturn, Jupiter, and Rahu, calling for patience, discipline, and careful choices. With the Saturn transit on March 29, Saturn entered Meena, your fifth house, Panchama Shani. Stress regarding children, academic confusion, health concerns, or delayed growth. Enmity with relatives, frequent arguments or separation from family, emotional heaviness or melancholy. Regarding career, delays, obstacles, and lack of recognition could be seen. Projects may not yield results. With finances, money may drain away. Avoid risky changes in profession or industry. With respect to health, windy issues or stomach ailments or risk of injury to limbs is seen. With Jupiter's transit, until May, Jupiter was in Vrishabha. After May, it moved into Mithuna, your 8th house, a testing placement. Heavy expenses, hospital expenses, or doctor expenses, or unexpected financial outflow. Lack of peace at home, quarrels and disharmony in family life. Strained workplace relationships. Enmity may increase. Risk of litigation and unnecessary disputes. Avoid investments in new ventures, vehicles, or property this year. When it comes to health, prone to stomach problems, headaches, mental anxiety, and frustration. So routine blood checkups are advised. With the Rahu transit, on May 24th, Rahu entered Kumbha while Ketu moved into Simha. Career instability, unwanted transfers, confusion, or loss of position could be seen. Stress from colleagues, irritation, disputes, or unhealthy workplace. Risk of loss of honor. Protect your reputation. With finances, expenditures rise sharply. Money drains unnecessarily. With respect to family, quarrels with spouse, a strained domestic peace is seen. And again, for health, prone to indigestion, stomach ailments, disturbed sleep due to worries. Some practical tips: career and finances. Avoid job changes or risky financial ventures this year. Focus on stability and discipline in profession. Save wherever possible. Cut unnecessary expenses. With respect to relationships and family, children need extra care in health and academics. Spouse and family relationships may feel strained. Patience is key. Avoid unnecessary arguments with relatives. With respect to health and inner balance, guard against stomach, digestion, and stress-related ailments. Prioritize rest, diet, and regular checkups. Use spiritual routines, meditation, prayer, journaling to reduce stress. A yearly flow summary: early year, manageable growth with Jupiter in Taurus. After March, Saturn in 5th brings stress with children, academics, and emotions. After May, Jupiter in 8th increases expenses, disputes, and financial instability. The second half, Rahu in 10th, disturbs career, reputation, and family peace. By year's end, steady effort, patience, and inner strength will help you manage challenges and maintain balance. An important reminder: these are general Rashi insights. They offer only a slice of the whole picture. Your individual horoscope and running dashas reveal the complete story. For clarity, always check your chart. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which part of this prediction feels most relevant for you? Are you already sensing strain in career, finances, or family matters this year? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this helped you understand your year ahead, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly Vedic astrology insights. And if you would like to explore your chart in depth, you can always connect with me for a personal consultation. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay aligned. Dhanyavadaha.